Ado tayo na rogan juice, mutton rogan juice, and chicken, garlic, and paratha, and dal.
Indian chapali gimba to make it.
Yeah,
Pali gimba to make it.
pali sama khayi.
I'm going to say.
Mama se chapali khayi re. Chapati.
I'll take care of this chapati.
Yeah, try the chips there. The juice. Oh, this is on this thing. Oh, tomato slices. Ah, but that is. Bas that thari. Dang az buku samal gisla ki thari jindar da de. This is. Ta gisla ari phere ma be gon da de wa jinda the dang zo buku le. Oh, this is shey da namaso. The crans buku sama de ta religion shilachun. Chicken modern rogan juice da ne. Chicken dire garlic chicken. Ane dali fry. Ane paratha. And the special on the chapati chore. Oh, this is it. Oh, this way. Okay. Last night, I got you. Yeah, you have to be. Yes.